cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and
Hi loves! Welcome back to our channel! So karon padulong mi sa The Beach Park Hudson, formerly known as Hudson lang. So nahimo siyang The Beach Park Hudson. I'm not sure kung nag-rent ba ang Mactan Newtown na company or ilan na ninyo palit.
Ang Hudson di ay kay tapad na dyan siya sa J Park. Okay, so mauna ni siya ang bagong daan padong sa Hudson. So unlike before, nga nagyanang lang nga lapok, karon kay spalto na siya tanda hindi ka siya.
So bago lang din sila nag-open, actually last May lang. So niyari mi diri para sa among first team building after 2 years.
Because of the pandemic.
Yeah, so go Team Shiners! Let's go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Stanley and Maricor from Team Shiners.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
A few moments later.
Hello mga kamidya! Hello kamidya!
Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat! Dito tayo!
Mga kamidya, i-unsubscribe!
Meron tayong meron tayong baboy at saka bami. Special bami!
Bami!
Meron tayong barbecue. Barbecue na yun, sino to? Tapos meron tayong lechong manok ng Cebu. Suka na. Boss, pinakuha na suka. Nakuha ni Miguel Carlo Reyes.
Aljan Richards! Mga kamidya! Mga kamidya!
A few moments later.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
moments later.
Yeah. Each one of you, ayaw ko i-focus.
Ayaw ko i-focus, i-zoom pa.
Kanang per group, kaya na may assign ka. Naduwa na tani, pero na siya twist ka man sa katong tira sa kaso. Per group, kaya na may assign na sound sa animals. Basta yung prefer. Ulok, kanang sa papo. Ulok, ulok, ulok.
Come on.
Tamo. Ulok, ulok. Assign yung sound of animal sound. So, scattered mo na mo. You need to find your group using the sound of the animal na naka-assign sa inyo. And then, once ma-find na mag-group na mo tanan, nai-usa ka representative nga taktango ng blindfold. Okay, sa representative ninyo.
Dominic. Ayaw, ano man, group mo ba?
Blindfold sa nato sila.
Shine ka, shine.
A few moments later.
Straight.
Dungo pa dyan. Dungo pa.
Next on Lab Lab TV.
Lipay kay ka.
Okay sa nina!